Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning AirDrop receiving on and off on iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, swipe down from the top right of the screen to get to your control center. Hold down on the Bluetooth icon to expand the connectivity controls. Now tap AirDrop. Here you can turn AirDrop receiving off completely. Set it to receive from contacts only or allow receiving from everyone. Your AirDrop receiving settings have now been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.